Let me ask you something. Are you closing deals but still feel like you're doing everything yourself? Most agents don't struggle because they lack effort. They struggle because they lack structure. No consistent pipeline, no clear marketing system, no real strategy behind their business. So every month, it resets. And here's the truth most people won't tell you: working harder isn't what fixes that. Structure does. At the JNC Group, we focus on building the business behind the agent. Clear listing strategy, modern, AI-driven marketing, systems that create consistency so you're not guessing, you're operating with intention. This isn't for everyone. It's for agents who are already in the business and are ready to level up how they operate. If that sounds like you, let's have a real conversation about where you are and where you want to go. No pressure, just strategy. Call me at 813-205-8081 to book a private call.